Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today, Lucy and I are going to do a Patriots inspired look because the Super Bowl's coming up next week. So we're going to do the Patriots today and then shortly after the Eagles, hopefully before the actual Super Bowl, if I can fit it all in. I am neither a Patriots nor an Eagles fan. I like Green Bay, mainly because they have Aaron Rodgers. So in this football game, I will be completely neutral. I am Switzerland. So I have an idea for a Patriots look. It might work out, it might not, but let's give it a shot. My apologies for the lighting. It's very gloomy out today and I don't know what types of lights to buy, and I'm usually at the mercy of the sun and it's not out today, so I hope this all comes out clearly. So I already have on this foundation from Almay. It might not look like I do because of all the dark circles. I gotta tell you, being socially anxious and having a job where you have to answer phones all day is probably one of the biggest nightmares. It sounds so simple, but I don't even like answering my cell phone. That's why it mainly goes to voicemail, unless I am absolutely sure of who's on the other line. So for some people, I'm sure it seems super easy, just answer a phone, no big deal, but my whole life, social situations have never been my strong point, so it's incredibly stressful. Priming the eyes with Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in Light. So I'm going to kick things off with Maybelline Color Tattoo in the shade Electric Blue, and I'm just gonna pop that all over the lids. Don't be worried if it gets a little messy or goes a little further than you want it to. We'll clean that all up in a little bit. So you may recognize some of these colors from my Captain America makeup look that I did maybe 2 years ago. So I'm trying to keep it different, although the shades are very similar. And interestingly, Captain America, Chris Evans, is a Patriots fan. I saw pictures of him at last year's Super Bowl. He actually made me consider becoming a Patriots fan, but we'll have to wait and see. So let's add to this blue mess with this shade, this blue shade here, Evidence, and I'm just going to use a lay down brush like this. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit with some cold cream from Pond's and a couple of Q-tips. I'm just going to use a smaller eye brush. This one's from the name I can't say. Sonia something from Target. I'll put the name there. And I'm just going to take more of the blue. This red shade from NYX. I don't even remember why I bought this shade. After I got it, I thought it was a waste of money. I've used it in so many looks. It's unbelievable. I'm going to start with it on an eyeliner brush. Now if I'd been thinking, I would have done the silvery white shadow for the brow bone first, because now I have to dodge part of the red that I have. So I'm just going to stop for a second. So with this shade, Polyester Bride from Urban Decay. Then I'm going to go back in and do the red, but since I want it a little stronger, I'm going to dip the brush in a little bowl of warm water and then into the shadow to get a stronger not too bad. Definitely not perfect, but we'll see what we can do after we finish everything. Taking an eyeliner from Avon in a navy shade. Twilight Sparkle. Yeah, it's the name of the little pony. Then using a silver liner. The problem is my eyebrows are slightly different shaped at the end, so it's working on two different canvases. But I'm running out of daylight, so I gotta hurry this up. Mascara from Klein. Some stuff up. Contour shade from Tarte. Use a little bit of the red for a tiny bit of blush. Actually, that's quite pigmented. Don't use that much. Using a highlighter from Too Faced. A red lipstick by, I hate words, Siete, Kate, London? I don't know, I can't talk. Alrighty, not exactly the same on each side, but not bad either. I think it looks fairly festive. Pretty Patriots inspired, I suppose. And then if you need to get your bangs trimmed like I do, it's pretty much gonna cover up all your handiwork. Well, you got a little peekaboo there. But there we have our Patriots inspired look for the Super Bowl on the 4th. I hope to do the Philadelphia makeup next. Thank you for watching. Check out the blog if you want a little more information on the makeup, ultimabeautyofficial.com. And stay tuned for the Eagles look. Bye!